Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, I am glad you are all here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys and gals more than you know. And I want to say thank you for anybody who's made it in here to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you like it, if you like knife and EDC content and you'd like to be notified when I release more, if you'd take the second and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. Today is an unboxing video. I know nothing about it except that it was sent by Kizer to me, and it is going to be an Amazon exclusive. I think it's going to be available starting October 11th around 8 o'clock at Amazon. I'll have to get you more information before I do a review, because I do plan on doing a full review on this knife. Looks very interesting. It is the Militaw model 106-7M2 D2 blade, black G10, and party streamers G10 handle. But what's unique about this? Well, when I got it, I was like, that's a big ass Militaw. But I have a feeling that this is going to be different. If I can get it to open. So it looks like they got some kind of holiday packaging going on here. Best wishes for you. Best wishes for you. Looks like we've got some little Militaw Merry Christmas stickers. And this, guys, they don't ship folders open, do they? Nope. But they do ship fixies open. This, guys, is going to be an exclusive. I don't know the price. I don't know. Comes with some streamers. Look at that. A little celebration time. So we got a sheath here. Kydex sheath with, as they ship, a nice thin tech lock, which you can adjust however you want to, or you can put on straps, or, you know, any other type of retention method that you want to use for it. But guys, that is not something that I was expecting at all. I was not expecting. I knew that, and I asked a couple of times to check out a couple of the other little Kizers, because I've seen more Kizer fixies come out, but they're always kind of a unique model. When you get a knife, which I've never actually experienced one, but I've heard nothing but great things about the Militaw, and I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, guys, but to see a knife that's popular, the Vero Axon, the Axon Fixie, get translated into a fixed blade is something that I find very attractive, for lack of a better term. I like it. So this guy, it says it's 8.18 inches. This is, again, just an unboxing, not a review, just something to share with you guys. So you've got these G10 handles, and I'm guessing this is a colored insert that they kind of fabricate there. And then you've got Militaw and SD or or JS, Jonathan Styles, I think that's his maker's mark, next to the Militaw because it's his design. D2, which is the blade steel, which for an EDC fixie, that's fine with me. You got Kizer on the other side. You've got nice jimping here where your main grip goes. You've also got a little rough area here that you could use this as the pommel. But guys, this is a good size. Think of it as your primary size folder, being, I don't have a lot of folders out here. I've got Cold Steel 4max, Elite, and I've got the Civivi X1. So the Militaw is EDC sized, right? It's going to be a small EDC sized fixed blade knife brought to us by Kizer. I love seeing more fixed blades, more EDC fixed blades, which is so ironic, guys. And that's why I always tell you, keep an open mind, because I never know what I'm going to like. And there was a time when I wouldn't even look at fixed blades. They were not part of my jam, not something I was interested in at all. That's kind of changed, and I've become, kind of a fixed blade junkie. That just needed to be tightened up a little bit. Really nice retention. Great sheath. They've got it set up now to carry vertically. This sheath could easily be offset, and you could set this up to carry it horizontally if you wanted to. You guys know me. I will put an ulti clip on it, or possibly a couple of straps. This one might carry good with straps. Or I may just keep it on the loop and carry it on my belt and try to carry it. I'm trying to see how it would mount. You might only have one screw. I might have to use a wider one to go scout carry. But yeah, great mounting system that gives you some flexibility, right? I mean, it is one of the nicer. I've got some graffiti in there that's causing my little OCD brain to go kind of nutty. There we go. Had a little sprinkle in there. So yeah, guys, this is the Kizer Militaw. The model number is 1067M2, 8.18 inches. Totally blacked out except for what they call the Party Streamers G10 handle. And again, guys, this is going to be available at Amazon on October 11th, I think. I'll do a review before then, and I'll get you all the details that I can find out. Because again, I just unboxed this with you guys. I knew it was a different sized box. But I'm really stoked to try it out. I'm really thankful for Kizer for letting me try it out. The jimping is great. You got jimping in a couple of different places depending on where your finger is going to hit or how you're going to grip it. Let's see how it cuts paper real quick. And like I said in my last videos, I need to modify my new ream of paper so it's easier to fish paper out of. And I haven't done that yet. Guys, very, very sharp, nice, slicey, drop point blade. All blacked out. That was a cutter error. I like it a lot because I love fixed blades. Always been a Kizer fan. I've got my Kizer box over there, that most of which have been given away on Friday Night Flicks. But when I first got into the hobby, the Kizer Vanguard series and their Titanium series was, I'd say 80% of my collection. I've had so many Kizer knives and enjoyed them. And my most recent Kizers have been very enjoyable, like the Mercury, the Phoenix, the, God, why can I never remember the one with the blade hole that's so thin? The Veritas? The Veritas. And just other really, really nice. I'm going into a therapeutic slicing session, guys. I apologize. This thing just cuts so well. You got some good blade stock. I tried to cut through 2 pieces of paper that weren't even. You got some nice thick enough blade stock for EDC. You've got a really good point. I like the swedge. I like the color, doesn't bother me. You've got this nice lanyard hole here at the back. This is full tang. We can take these scales off if we want to during the review, but you can tell it's a full tang construction. Just a nice chunk of D2. Got some weight behind it. Feels really nice. But guys, that is just an unboxing. I don't want to take any more of your time. And that is the Kizer Militaw fixed blade, Amazon exclusive. I will bring you a detailed review. We'll get a tape measure out, some other knives to compare it to, and go from there. I'm stoked to check it out. I'm stoked to share it with you guys. I appreciate you watching. All I ever ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.